So what's up guys? So welcome back po sa aking YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, ang channel na ito ay nagtuturo ng online tutorials, review investment platforms, at kung gusto mong kumita gamit ang earning site, kung interesado ka sa ganitong content, huwag mong kalimutan magpindot ng subscribe button at hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa susunod nating videos. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes. So what's up guys? So welcome back po sa panibago nating videos, and for today's video guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin i-fix or i-resolve yung PayPal account natin. So this time is personal account po yung gamit natin. So pwede nyo din po siyang subukan sa yung business account. So dito is mayroong nakalagay na red flag po yung account natin. So meron din po siyang required na information until June 28. So make sure na nasagutan nyo na po yung resolve dito kay PayPal. So upload a photo ID. So ito po yung una nating i-check or i-double check guys, na make sure na yung ID na isasubmit nyo is tugma sa PayPal info. Saka nyo po sagutan yung tatlo dito sa baba. Kasi kadalasan nababagsak tayo dito sa photo ID is hindi po tugma. So dito naman sa ating provide proof of fulfillment, pipiliin natin yung this transaction doesn't involve sale. So yung isasagot natin, the service was delivered electronically. This is intangible good that does not require shipping. So lahat po ng sagot dito guys is parehas lang. So this transaction doesn't involve sale. So yung pangatlo lang po yung pipiliin natin, and then i-paste nyo lang po yung sagot nyo sa pinakababa. So lahat po dyan guys, hindi kayo magkakamali. So copy paste na lang para hindi kayo magkamali na magsagot. Ayan, so this transaction doesn't involve sales. Then pagkatapos nating ma-check po lahat ng provide proof of fulfillment, so lahat yan parehas lang ng answer. So click natin yung submit. So ayan, so your information has been submitted. Go to account limitation. So next naman na sasagutan natin is yung provide proof of purchase from your supplier. So click natin yung resolve. So dito naman guys, pipiliin naman natin is yung pangatlo, yung pinakababa, doesn't involve. So I'll share. So, ayan. So I'll share more details. So copy paste lang, same lang po yung answer natin dito. Ayan, I'll share more details with this transaction. Copy paste lang po kayo guys para hindi kayo magkamali. So wala na po tayong i-add na file this time. Wala na po tayong i-add. Ayan, so lahat po dito na purchase of supplier, parehas lang po ng sagot. I'll share more details on this transaction. Copy paste. Then click yung submit. Ayan. So your information has been submitted. So yung last naman guys is yung explain how your business works. So pwede nyo din po ito sa business account. Since tayo ay naka-personal account, so pwede din po dito guys. So general information about my business. So pipindutin natin yan. And then yung sagot natin sa general information about my business is parehas lang din po yung isasagot natin sa fulfillment, transaction, suppliers, and then dito. Kasi wala naman tayong address at wala tayong link na maibibigay kasi nga ito yung sagot natin. So click yan. Then submit. Go to account limitation. So maghihintay lang tayo ng segundo. Segundo lang po yan guys pagkatapos natin mag-resolve. Kasi automatic yan na lalabas yung resulta. Ayun, boom. So resolve na po yung red flag natin at submit info funds. So ganun lang kadali guys kung paano natin i-fix, resolve yung ganitong problema sa personal account or business account. So kung may katanungan kayo sa itong video, pwede kayong mag-comment or mag-PM sa atin.